Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the notification reminders to remind every 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we go down and tap on notifications. Next, go down and tap on advanced settings. Now we go down and tap on notification reminders. Tap on the left hand side panel, and in here, tap on remind every, and from the pop-up you could choose 3 minutes, 5, 10 or 15 minutes. So select one of the options, and then that's it. Now you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.